Hi family, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. On this channel, we make DIY hair care videos. We care for our hair using natural Ayurvedic hair care ingredients. We also use products that are safe from all harsh chemicals. Anything that is damaging to your hair and your scalp, we try to stay away from it. But today we are going to be talking about keeping your hair stretched to eliminate tangles, to eliminate fairy knots, which can also cause breakage. That is keeping your hair in stretch style. I try to keep Sonia hair in stretch style nowadays if she asks me to, because she's taking care of her hair and she loves to keep it in a stretch style, not putting a lot of heat on it, not straightening it, but sometimes she would do braid out, she would do twist out, anything just to stretch her hair so that it doesn't tangle up a lot. Because now she's handling her hair, I'm not handling it for her anymore. But once in a while I come in, give her some Ayurvedic treatment. I'm keeping on her to continue to deep condition her hair too, for her to pre-poo her hair. She doesn't like doing those things on her hair, and that's what I keep telling her. You have to do it, baby, or else. She's doing a great job maintaining her hair length, but without her doing those extra things, I'm pretty sure with she doing those extra things, her hair will be longer than this. But again, I'm fine because she's still able to maintain her long hair. So I'm really proud with her on that. I'm teaching her how to be gentle with her hair. But this video is mainly about keeping the hair stretched for her, because as you guys can see, she has a lot of hair. Her hair is long, and apart from that, it is very thick. Some people have long hair but it's not thick, it's fine, but she has both. It is long and it is thick. Now, to help her retain length, for her to retain all the length that she have right now, is for her keeping it in a stretch style. She loved wearing her curly hair as well, because sometimes she would tell me, Mommy, I miss my curly hair. And she would wear her curly hair for 1 month, 2 months straight. But again, in between, she also loved to keep her hair stretched. Again, it's just easy for her because of school. She's in school. She got a lot of lessons that she have to cover. So keeping her hair in a stretch style is also great for her, so she doesn't spend much time on her hair. And this is how she's able to retain length. Now, another good thing about keeping her hair in this stretch style, the main thing is avoiding tangles and avoiding single strand knots and avoiding excessive tangles on her hair, because her hair tangle up a lot. Another thing I'm telling her to, continuing to cover your hair with your bonnet at night, but she said when she's sleeping it come out. So to avoid her hair from tangling up a lot is to keep it stretched. And to keep it stretched, as you guys saw, I use a lot of heat protectant on her hair because we don't want any heat damage. I use heat protectant. I almost use a whole bottle on her hair because she have a lot of hair. So make sure, if you want to keep your hair in a stretch style, for you to eliminate single strand knots, tangles, breakage, always make sure you go in with a heat protectant. And then I also went in with a serum, just so her hair can be easy to manipulate. So once her hair is in this stretch state, now she can go ahead and start it the way she wants to start it. This is our secret to hair growth without excessive heat. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.